Now this is the tiniest puppy in the world, and over there is a giant chicken.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
We are back. I know exactly what you're thinking.
Where have you been?
Well, no, let me tell you what's been going on in this house. So, we took a bit of a break from the vlog, and the reason being, life took over. Things happened, grown-up things happened. We just had to deal with in the moment, which meant that we couldn't give this everything we wanted to. But what it did mean is that while we were taking a break, it gave us an opportunity to look back at some of the old vlogs and just laugh and just think about how much we love doing it. So we are back. So this vlog is just a bit of an update of things, some of the things that we've been up to. So we've been to New York for Tom's 16th birthday. We also had a new addition to the family. Not a baby, but this little fella. How do? I am crazy excited today. So it is Sunday morning. I have just driven for an hour and 45 so far. And I'm now stuck in a little bit of traffic. But I'm on the way to pick up a new puppy. Eek. We're getting a new puppy for the house. So Noodle, for the last God knows how long, has been going on about how she wants a puppy. I want a puppy of my own. Because Grace got a puppy, we've got a puppy, Tom's got a puppy. Well, we haven't got a puppy, we've got a beast. And Noodle is desperate for a puppy. And then Fia said she wanted a puppy, and then Abe said, well, I want a puppy. So we've decided, as their birthdays are all so close together, I'm gonna get them a puppy. So I'm on the way to go and get this little guy.
If you want some, never, just let me know.
One eternity later.
And by the way, I've been driving now for 2 hours and I'm busting for a wee, and I just can't find any pee stops. So we shall persevere.
Roundabout, take the first exit onto Western Approach, then turn left onto A1124.
Yes, ma'am. So there we go. Hopefully I will not be peeing my knickers before I get there. Yeah. Man needs a pee. Oh well. Ready? Oh. Hold on. Let's wait.
Harry.
Right, all hold on together. It's a puppy!
We've got a new puppy!
We've got a new puppy!
No way!
Do you like it, Harry?
So we got a new puppy.
Oh, Fear's crying! Fear's crying!
Huh?
Fear, you made me cry!
Yeah.
What's that? Oh, she made me cry.
Yeah. His name's Oreo. Now this is the tiniest puppy in the world, and over there is a giant chicken.
Turning behind his mum's coattail.
He's hiding. Puppy. Chicken.
Looking, picking, when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive them when I kiss her. If you want some love, just let me know. If you want some love, just let me know. If you need some love, just tell me so. Hot mama, just a female at a mama. You should see the fellas meet you for a little love and smooching. If you want some love, just let me know.
So that be it. We are going to be back again. We're going to kick off next week with the first proper vlog where What the Facts will be back. Everyone will be back firing on all cylinders, ready to build our subscribers to over 1 million. We are currently 999,850-ish short of our target. We're going to get there. We will do this. We will do this together. So subscribe below if you're watching this for the first time. Hit the bell, hit the ting. You know what to do. You're no stranger to YouTube channels. This one is by far going to be the best. So subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell everyone. Tell friends, family, and dog lovers everywhere. No. Join us. We'll see you next time.
And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me so